Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to a new happy tutorial on Ibrahim Muslim. So on this channel, Ibrahim Muslim. So let's start with the base Adobe After Effects. So today I'm gonna explain you the very basics of Adobe After Effects. This is Adobe After Effects CC 2014. So I will let you know about one of the most basic things you need to make uh, small videos with some animations and stuff. For example, if you want to make a YouTube intro, or you want to make an intro or something like that, if you want to make a little animation for your photography video, or you want to make just little animation so to for your video project or something like a birthday or something. So let's start. And the first thing you will find when you will open After Effects is you will find the options to start a new composition. And in composition you will find some options such as the width and the height of the composition. So basically it is the composition in which you're going to work. And for example, if you got a computer which is not as powerful as a high-end system, so you can go down to 720p, so to make video more easy to edit while you work. And if you think your computer is capable enough, so you can go to 1080p, and here it will show the resolution and the stuff you're gonna work through. So the down here it's the frame rate, it's the amount of frames that the video will have per second. And this is the pixel aspect ratio. Yeah, you must choose the square pixel. And if you are making a video in which you are going to show things moving fast and moving here and there, and you got some fast animation, you must choose 60 frames per second to avoid the motion blurriness and loss of details while you make the video. And now this is the length of the video you want to make. Start time must be 00, and the end duration should be as much you like. For example, I will go for 10 seconds. This is the background color of your main profile. Let it be black, it is more suitable. And this is the resolution on which your video will run while you are editing. While you are editing on it, you're working on it. So make it a half for some smooth composition. On top we will write basic details about After Effects, and we will begin our guide. So we'll zoom out. This is all of the screen you have. Oops, you can maximize it, it's the maximum size. You can hide the dock though and go down. So it's the for the area. Now in here, the first thing is your composition is here, and all of your pictures, videos, and all the stuff, audio, are going to be shown here and here as well. So we'll double click to import any data or anything you want. So let's start with some basic, and let's download from some of the data from internet. For example, a picture or something. Like we start with earth, and we go to images, and we download this one, and we choose some, we open it, and we just download it. Alright, let's go back and open our project. So right now, if you're using OS X, you can change this file into a PNG file to make the boundaries around the globe, nothing else. And that will be quite easy to work with. So convert to a PNG. Now this whole thing is converted into PNG, and we go and click cross, and now it's saved. So now this PNG file, we can cut it into half. So to make little animations I'm gonna show you in later. So we go grab this and we make it approximate half, and we can command C, and we gonna make a new clipboard with this. So now this is a new clipboard, the one we selected, and we made a new clipboard, and we will name it left, and we will save it. We will do this same with this thing from here. You can use command N for a shortcut. Oops, what? It must be the second half, damn it. Don't save. Command C. You have to press command C first. Yes, you have to press command C and then command N to make the second half, and we'll name it right, and we close it. We go to our directory called X code, and we got both left and right, and we drop them here. So now when we got both left and right, we can start with our most basic animation, and which is, oops, we select both and drop down here. Let me make it go little up. Ooh. Yes. So now we got left and right. This is the one of the most basic start for your video editing. You can go advanced, and this is all of your screen. And to make things move and join and break, we can start from here. Now the first thing you have to do is, if you want a background, you can have it, but I need a white one to make things go. We go to cancel, we go new, we click down here, right click, new, and we click solid. We do go to color, we select white, and we press OK, and we press OK. Now this is the white color, and to make our globe visible, we have to grab it down to bottom. Now you can see we got our globe in the center, which is in two parts, left and right. And now what we will do, we will select both of them, and we will decrease the size proportionally. So and we will go and we will say fit up to 100%. We will select our left one and our right one. So now we got, when we got the globe in the center, we will start our animation now. What you have to do is you have to go to down, and you have to open transform. You can use shortcuts keys as well. These are really beneficial for your fast editing. You can press just P to go to position, and you can press again P to remove that. You can press T for opacity, and there are many other shortcuts. But right now, if you are a beginner, we start with position, and we go to this arrow down here, and we click transform, and we open transform. So now we will click on position, as this will keyframe the motion and will record the position of our right side of the globe. And we will also click on rotation if we got any rotation between this, so to be recorded. And now what we'll do is that we will click on the right side and press shift, and we'll move straight out of the white area. Oops, so we moved it out of the right area, and now we will move around 1 second in our video, and we will click on that right globe and press shift, and we'll move it back to the position. So now you can see there is a line, straight line, and this shows the motion of our globe, and which is almost 180 degree without any ups and downs, because we used shift to move our object. Now we'll do the same with the left one. Now we will use our shortcut position. We will click on this. We will press position. We will press P for position. We will keyframe it. We will zoom out and we will go back to our main frame and we will click on the globe and we will press shift later on and we'll move it out of the screen. Now we will again move to the main point and you can see it joins Winga. Now when we will render it, we'll click on this and you can see it joins. If to increase the speed, you can close up these two keyframes for a faster speed. And if you want to get that motion blur effect, that fast moving blur effect, you can click on motion blur on both of the globes. Now we will zoom out and we will play our animation once again, and it needs to be rendered in real time though. So I don't know, I don't think you can see the motion blur effect. Let's make it real faster to see motion blur effect. Boom boom, oops, boom. Yeah, I don't think you can see the motion blur so clearly, but it is enabled. And this is the basics, the start of the animation. Now let's move to a new step. If you want to make some rotations or some curves during this, you can use the rotation keyframe on both of the globes, and on the start we will add a keyframe, and in the middle we will press these blocks to record our rotation of the object, and on top here we can press W or we can just go on the top tool, the rotation tool, and we will oops we will select our right globe and we will rotate it almost opposite, and what we'll do is we will click on it. We will press now the selection tool, which is V, the shortcut is V, and we'll go back to our keyframe. We'll press W and we will rotate back our globe. Now we'll press V, and now you can see we got some tang effect on the globe, that is a rotational effect. If you want to do this a faster way, you can just copy these, but the cause is that we can copy these keyframes and we can paste these keyframes directly on this file. The problem is that the rotation is dependent on the right side of the globe and it will work like opposite to the left side, and you can see it can give a good effect, but the problem is yeah, the both of the globes are rotating in the opposite direction, the both halves of the globe. You can see that because I just copied the right globe rotation on the left globe rotation, which seems quite cool though, but you can have that cool effects. So this is the second thing. Now if you want to mess up with the scale, you can do this as well. You can just keyframe the scale, move the object little around and just make it almost half, move back to the main point and maximize it back to normal. Normal. And now you can see you are going to get that size enlargement effect, and you can copy this on the second one for scale, keyframe, oops, 1Z, go to the start, click on keyframe and paste the effects. After doing that, you can play that both of the globe size move with that animation. And let's restart. Yeah, can you see that? It's so fast that you can't see the change in size. So we will move our keyframes a little away, so to give you a clear shot on what's happening. Let's render it, and you can see that. Can you see that? All right, we got a little mistake in the animation because I just moved the right one's animation and I forgot to move the left ones. So we go back and we grab this, we move it right on top of this, and grab this and this. So now they're almost in straight line except this one. Yeah, so move back and you can see that. Whoa, oops, there's a mistake, I think. Yeah, it's rotating. It's rotating little wrong because I have moved this one. Yeah, let's see what's going on. And oh, I moved that guy wrong. That little dude. You have to go there, dude. Yeah, right on that top. And let's move back. So we got our animation classic. So this is the most basic animation you can do with Adobe After Effects. Adobe After Effects is used for some real pro editing stuff. You can get extra tools on it as well. You can get Element 3D and stuff. You can do 3D animation and a lot of different deals. So I don't know how long this video becomes. I think this is way too long, and this was the basic tutorial for video animation for your YouTube tutorials and other guy on your audio After Effects Premiere Pro. Oh my days, on our. So this is all for our video editing on After Effects, Adobe After Effects, and we will go in details in our next tutorial. So this was the beginner's guide for the most basic scale and scale, motion, rotation animations, and we will move to a new step in our upcoming videos. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please share the video. Please share it to your friends and family. For more such video, please subscribe to my channel. That's all. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.